Properties of proportion. Invertendo. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, implies A is to B is equal to C is to D implies B is to A is equal to B is to A is equal to D is to C. That is, A by B is equal to C by D implies B by A is equal to D by C. Ratio form and fraction form. Next, if A is to B is equal to C is to D, alternando, if A is to B is equal to C is to D implies alternate. So A is to C, A and C. A is to C is equal to B is to D. That is, A by B is equal to C by D implies A by C is equal to B by D. Then third one, componendo. Componendo. If A is to B is equal to C is to D implies componendo. A plus B divided by B is equal to C plus D divided by D. C plus D divided by D. A plus B by B is equal to C plus D by D. That is what A plus B is to B is equal to C plus D is to D is to form. That is ratio form. Better write like this way, fraction form. Then fourth one, dividendo. Dividendo. If A is to B is equal to C is to D implies what? A minus B by B is equal to C minus D by D. C minus D by D. Next, componendo, dividendo. Componendo, dividendo. Fifth one. If A is to B is equal to C is to D implies A plus B by A minus B is equal to C plus D by C minus D. C plus D by C minus D. 7C, first question. If A is to B is equal to C is to D, prove that 5A plus 7B minus 5A minus 7B is equal to 5C plus 7D is to 5C minus 7D. So answer, given A is to B is equal to C is to D, that is A by B is equal to C by D. 5A divided by 5A divided by 7B is equal to 5A divided by 7B is equal to 5C divided by 7D. 5C divided by 7B. Within brackets, right? Multiplying both sides by 5. Multiplying both sides by 5. 5A divided by 7B is equal to 5C divided by 7D. Within brackets, multiplying both sides by 5 by 7. Multiplying both sides by 5 by 7. The next step, 5A plus 7B divided by 5A minus 7B is equal to 5C plus 7D divided by 5C minus 7D. Within brackets, applying componendo dividendo. Applying componendo dividendo. That is 5A plus 7B is to 5A minus 7B is equal to 5c plus 7b is to 5c minus 7b. That is our answer.
3 by 5.
Given this example question. A is to B is equal to C is to D. That means A by B is equal to C by D. We want to prove this. A by B is equal to C by D given. So which value we want to multiply?
Into 3 by 5.
3 by 5.
3 by 5. We want to multiply A by B by 3 by 5. Why? എന്തുകൊണ്ടാണ് നമ്മൾ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്തത്? നിങ്ങൾ ചോദിച്ച അതേ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നെ ഞാൻ
values given there.
നിങ്ങൾ ചോദിച്ച അതേ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നെ ഞാൻ തിരിച്ചു ചോദിക്കാം. What is the reason? Because
value question ഉണ്ട്.
3a 5b 3a 5b 3യുടെ എയുടെ കൂടെ 3യും ബിയുടെ കൂടെ എന്താ വേണ്ടത് 5ഉം ആണ് വേണ്ടത്. അതുകൊണ്ട് നമ്മൾ എന്ത് ചെയ്യുന്നു 3 by 5 കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യുന്നു. ക്ലിയർ? അപ്പൊ ഓട്ടോമാറ്റിക്കലി c by d will be what? We want to multiply c by d by
3 by 5.
3 by 5 itself. 3 by 5 കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. എന്താണോ ലെഫ്റ്റ് സൈഡിൽ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്തത് അതേ വാല്യൂ കൊണ്ട് തന്നെ റൈറ്റ് സൈഡും ചെയ്യണം. എന്നാലേ അത് ഈക്വൽ ആവുള്ളൂ. ഈക്വൽ സൈൻ ആണ് നമ്മൾ ഇവിടെ ഇടുന്നത്. ഈക്വൽ ആവണമെങ്കിൽ അത് ശരിയാവും ചെയ്യുന്നുണ്ട്. നോക്കൂ 3c plus 5d കണ്ടോ 3c plus 5d 3c minus 5d if you are applying കമ്പോണന്റോട് ഇവിടെ ഉണ്ട്. അപ്പൊ ഏതാണോ നമുക്ക് വേണ്ടത് ആ ഫ്രാക്ഷൻ കൊണ്ട് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. അണ്ടർസ്റ്റുഡ്? Any doubt? Got it? No response.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, no? Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Second question. Same. If A is to B is equal to C is to D is given, prove that 9A plus 13B into 9C minus 13D is equal to 9C plus 13D into 9A minus 13B. So first what we want to do? Given. Tell me. Together we can do. First, second question. Given what? A is to B is equal to C is to D. Boys.
Yes, ma'am.
Sleeping.
LM, sir.
Then tell me.
9a by 13b.
9a plus 13b we need. Divided by 9a minus 13b. So, want to multiply?
9 by 13.
9 by 13. Both sides we want to multiply. So, multiplying. Reason you should write multiplying 9 by 30 on both sides. On both sides. Then it will be 9a by 13b is equal to 9c by 13b. Next step, what we want to do? Reason. Applying what? Applying component or dividend.
So
9a plus 13b divided by 9a minus 13b is equal to 9c plus 13b divided by 9c minus 13b. That is in ratio form. Write in ratio form. 9a plus 13b is to 9a minus 13b is equal to 9c plus 13b is to c minus 13d. Any doubt?
9a plus 13b is to ഇല്ലല്ലോ കഴിഞ്ഞ അത് ഇൻഡു അല്ലേ ചെയ്യണത്?
Okay. Cross not is to. ഇത് ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യണം. ആൻസർ നമുക്ക് പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യേണ്ടത് 9a plus 13b ഈസ് ടു ഫോം അല്ല വേണ്ട. ഇതിൽ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് 9a plus 13b into 9c minus 13b. 9c minus 13b അല്ല. ഈസ് ടു ഫോമിലാണ് ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ തന്നിട്ടുണ്ടെങ്കിൽ you can write like this way. ഈ ക്വസ്റ്റ്യൻ നമ്മളോട് ഇവിടെ പ്രൂവ് ചെയ്യാൻ പറഞ്ഞിരിക്കുന്നത് ഇതല്ല. എന്താ? ഇത് ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ചെയ്യും. So what will be the answer? Okay, thank you. 9a cross multiply. 9a plus 13b into, not is to, into 9c minus 13d, not b. 13d is equal to 9c plus 13b 9C plus 13D. 9C plus 13D into 9A minus 13B. 9A minus 13B. Okay. Given A by B is equal to C by D. That is A is to B is equal to C is to D. A by B is equal to C by D. We need what? Multiplying. Tell me anyone.
X by
Ah,
Y.
X by Y. Both sides. No. So multiplying X by Y on both sides. Multiplying X by Y on both sides. So it will be XA divided by YB is equal to what? XC divided by YD. Next, which property we want to apply here? Listen properly and tell me.
Component.
Only component or dividend we need? No.
No.
Why? Why?
കാരണം
Ah.
XA plus YB we are applying plus.
Plus only. Here no minus is here. No, the answer no minus is here. So if you are applying component only, what will happen here? For dividend we need minus. We have only plus in answer. So applying component. So what will be? Applying component.
Compound, then plus will come.
XA plus YB divided by. Tell me.
Then Y.
XA
C
plus
plus
YB
YD.
divided by component only applying
XC
component
plus Y.
means denominator will be what? Denominator saying no. No change. So what will be? YB itself. XA plus YB component only we are applying. So same way right side, understood no? Any doubt?
No, ma'am, no.
No, ma'am.
So applying component of right side. XC plus YD divided by
YD.
YD.
YD. Then we need what? This one. Any adjustment if you are doing means we will get or not.
Places.
So next step what we can do. So XA plus YB divided by YB and XC plus YD, just changing the places. So it will be XC plus YD. In place of YB we can write this one, and in place of this we can write YB divided by YD as YD itself. No change for these two. Okay. XA plus YB divided by, in place of YB we are writing XC plus YD. Just changing the places. This one and this one. XC plus YD. Then in place of XC plus YD we are writing YB divided by YD itself. So next step, how can we write? XA plus YB divided by XC plus YD. Same LHS we got. We want to prove that. Then what happened to RHS?
Cancel Y.
Cancel Y. Y we can cancel B by D. So that is our answer. Okay. Got it, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.